David Parsley, and Moringa has helped me unlock opportunities with modern tech.
You've all chosen what I think is the most important, exciting and dynamic field in the world, that of tech and data. Moringa's vision is a world in which anyone can create their own future.
I see problem solvers before me. I see people who are going to build great companies, great solutions. I'm not aware of any coding language that has its roots in Africa. You could be the graduating class that has the first coding language that we say is made in Kenya and made in Africa.
Each of you arrived here with a unique story. Some with ease, others with hardships. But one of the things that you had in common is the determination.
Okay, my name is Alfred Ricky Otieno. Moringa School has helped me gain the growth mindset. I've learned that failure is just a part of learning, and all I can say is that Moringa has helped me unlock the modern tech opportunities.
I joined Moringa School because I wanted to upscale, do a career shift to a more impactful analytical role, and Moringa came highly advertised, highly recommended, and with its reputation and relevance to what I wanted to do, I joined. It was the right choice.
I'm Lizardine Waithiki Ngodho, and Moringa School has helped me unlock very many opportunities in modern tech.
Hi, my name is Hamza Ali, and I came to Moringa like 9 months ago to pursue software engineering. So this course allowed me to, be able to problem solve. Also, like what I was able to get out of this course is build applications, which I find it interesting. And also this course allows me to, further my career on the field of software engineering. So I would say Moringa is a nice place to, for beginners to come and start their journey in the programming world.